Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So it is time to study now, and today we are going to learn the concept right and left. We use it as a direction, like this elephant is going to the left and now this elephant is going to the right side. This fish is going to the right side and now it is going to the left side. To learn the directions which is left and which is right, you have to put your hands on a table like this. Join your thumbs and see which hand is showing letter L. The hand that is showing letter L is your left hand and the other hand is your right hand. So the left is pointing that way and right is pointing that way. So this is your left hand and this is your right hand. Here is an apple and a sandwich. The apple is on the left hand side and the sandwich is on the right hand side. Now let's do some practice finding left and right. Is the horse on the left side or on the right side? Yes, it is on the left side. Is the bear on the left or on the right? Yes, bear is on the right side. Is the dog on the left or on the right? Yes, you are correct. The dog is on the right side. Is the elephant on the left or on the right? Yes, it is on the left side. Well done. I think you have learned the concept. Now here is an assignment for you. So what you have to do is that you have to draw two squares on your notebook and you have to make circles inside the square on the left side and then make triangles inside the square on the right side. Okay children, it is time to leave. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.